大家好，我係背心大師。今期無盡第二集講下羅伊老師輸咗俾6億300萬嘅機械豬大佬。嗱，羅伊老師咧就接近6億5000萬戰力噶啦。點解呢？首先第一睇一睇機械豬大佬個排位先。地底王係放後排提速嘅，咁啊確保到地底王可以快速出手嘅。第二啦，佢前面係一隻比較脆弱嘅深海王。第三呢，就呢一下吹雪嘅攻擊啦，有效果複製到羅伊隻吹雪上面嘅，搞到羅伊係出唔到手。咁出唔到手又冇冷血，咁就機械豬大佬呢就可以瘋狂咁樣輸出，可以做到更加多嘅英雄冷血啦。羅伊老師呢就會不停咁樣承受更加多嘅傷害啦。見到驅動騎士再冷血啦。講翻第二點脆弱嘅深海王先，確保佢可以出完手或者唔出手都好啦，快啲死。咁佢嗰個地底王呢，就可以喺後面確保受到嘅傷害最少啦，亦都唔會俾人上到效果複製啦，又唔會俾人暈到啦。因為佢有突發閃避啦，所以佢可以用一個更加高嘅血量，可以企到第10個回合系統判決俾佢贏嘅。咁亦都堆得非常之高嘅效果抵抗，唔會俾人暈到啦。最後亦都可以佢反手暈翻人哋一下喎。所以呢，其實企喺後排呢，都係一個非常之明智嘅策略。然之後佢前面呢，擺隻脆弱嘅深海王，就係嗰個站位啦。咁去到最後呢，就其實羅伊老師咧係俾機械豬大佬咧打到得翻一隻嘅，冇記錯，就剩翻一隻驅動騎士，10個回合系統判決機械豬大佬贏。但係咧，羅伊老師隻驅動騎士係死過無數次，而機械豬大佬嗰隻驅動騎士咧係冇死過嘅。最後第9個回合、第10個回合咧，佢仲要係有5隻角色啦，就係呢場上呢5隻咧都仲係未死嘅。可想而知呢一個排陣咧，其實有幾厲害咯。咁我哋總結翻啦，點樣先可以做到呢樣嘢呢？第一，地底王要放後排啦，提速，確保到佢可以比對方快一啲出手。第二啦，佢前面一定要放一隻比較脆弱嘅角色啦，譬如深海王，等佢快啲死，唔好俾驅動騎士不停用烈攻打，受到嘅傷害最少，或者俾人用效果複製上咗個雲源，一切都係為拖延到第10個回合做準備啊！第三呢，就盡量上個效果複製俾你一隻角色，而嗰隻角色呢，係可以對準到對方嘅吹雪，就放喺提速嗰個位置度。咁通常都係放喺吹雪啦，咁就令到對方出唔到主動攻擊啦，或者冷血。咁呢一個係非常之好嘅策略嚟嘅。好，咁大家可以下個禮拜試下，記得 comment、like、subscribe 同 share 我 channel 啦。呢個係第2集，咁第3集就會講下鋼鐵小雞大佬同無火仔嗰場啦。下次見，拜拜。
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks. truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to